Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Realme band. Let's check out the box and see what kind of information we can find here. At the back it says that this band has a large color display, has a heart monitor and has IP68 waterproofing. There's a lot of other information as well, but let's just open this box up. Gently pull out this tray and there you have it. You can see the Realme band snugly fitted in a groove of sorts. Let's take a closer look. This is what the Realme band looks like. It's quite sleek and the texture of the band seems waterproof. Let's remove this sticker here. Now you can see the display screen. It's actually quite large for a fitness band. You will notice the large touch button as well. This band seems highly adjustable as there are a lot of grooves. This will be a good fit on almost anyone's wrist. Let's keep the band to a side and take a look at what else is there in the box. This is a very detailed, quick startup guide. You should read it at least once. And that's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.